This is a pretty quick, straightforward installation. First thing we're going to do is remove this locking pin here. Then push the pin through. There's a spring here. You want to keep control of that. Take the bracket that came with the kit. Slide the bolt through. And then we're not going to put on the nut yet. That gives us a little more room to put the foot peg into position. You're going to take the foot peg and the spring, and we're going to put it into this slot here, and the top part is going to rest right on top of there. Then we're going to put the factory pin through, and it's going to go through the center of that spring, so you're going to have to push it down. And then take your retaining clip, your pliers, and then take the nut. And you're going to need an 8mm hex and an adjustable wrench, and just tighten it up. We're going to be beginning the installation on this side the same way as the other side. There's little grooves in this washer. May not be pretty, but that always works because it's a tough one to get off. And then just push your pin through. Pull out your spring. Take the bracket that came in the kit. Put it in the hole. Take your bolt. Slide it through. Don't put on the nut yet, so you have a little bit of room to work with. Take the spring. The pin that originally came with it. You're going to have to push the spring down so that the pin will go through it. And then pinch the clip on. Put your nut on. $8mm hex, adjustable wrench, and tighten it up, and your installation is complete.